Hi, I'm Paul, the Motor Guy. Now, if you're having trouble with smooth throttle control, I'm going to give you an easy exercise that you can do while you're riding. So hang tight. When using the throttle, many riders have trouble making small movements. So when they roll on and off the throttle, it's very abrupt, which looks like this. So what you can do to help smooth out your throttle control is that as you're riding, practice making small, smooth throttle movements. The goal is to be able to accelerate and decelerate smoothly in small increments, without the motorcycle making sudden jerky movements. Now the next video will demonstrate this. As you can see, I am rolling on and off the throttle very slow, slightly increasing and decreasing speed ever so slightly. Now you can also add rolling in completely off the throttle. Then you're going to roll back on the throttle, and when the throttle engages, it should be smooth. Now I'm going to demonstrate this in the next video. Now as you're watching, look how smooth the bike is when the throttle engages. Now you can also do this exercise with the bike off, sitting stationary. The only thing about doing it with the bike off is that you don't get any feedback from the motorcycle as you're rolling on and off the throttle. Now, I still practice this exercise from time to time when I'm riding. Now, once you get to where you can dial in your throttle control, it will help you maintain better throttle control when you're doing your slow speed maneuvers. Now, if you're having trouble with revving the throttle as you're turning, I recommend you watching this video where I give you a quick, easy tip that will help. Now, until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.